Steps for growing a sequoia tree. So first you're gonna want your greenhouse, like the one we made earlier, which is right here. Step number 2, we're gonna have to add water until the soil is moist. Okay. And then step number 3 is we're gonna pretend for this part that we have the sequoia seeds, and we're gonna pretend to put this right here in the middle, like I mentioned before. Okay. And then step number 4 would be, like we did earlier, to pour our pebbles right on top of them evenly throughout the whole surface. Okay, so that's step number 4, and this is when we put the cap on. And by this time I already made the holes for ventilation on the top. So we're gonna cover the greenhouse. Okay. And then step number 4, on this part, we're gonna place our greenhouse in the refrigerator for 20 days. It's best to do this when it's actually winter, so it could be even with the season. So 20 days in the refrigerator. This is when it's preparing for the seed to grow. And then step number 6, after you take it out the refrigerator, you're gonna move it to like a sunny window where it gets light, like a warm light but not too strong. And this is when the process of spring happens and the seed will begin to grow. So then step number 7, after it's been on the sunny window for a while, so wait 15 to 45 days, and this is where you're going to begin to see the seed to grow. So it's best to have multiple seeds, so that way if one doesn't grow, you have the other ones. So you always want to keep gentle light, keep it moist but not too much. And then when the seed actually grows 1 inch above, then that's when we're going to move to step number 7, 8, and then by 1 year later, step number 8, this is when the seed is already almost out of the greenhouse, and from there you're going to transfer it to a pot and keep it outside in gentle light. And all you have to do is water it when it's really dry, and then at the end you're gonna have a bigger seed, but this is what it should look like. The seed should look something like this. So right now it's in the process of growing, but once it's ready you can take this off, and then you have a Christmas tree, and then you just keep on growing it. And that's how you grow a sequoia tree.